Welcome back to the Grandbaby Cakes kitchen. Today, I've got another one of my baking hacks that you definitely need to know. A lot of you have been asking me over the course of my videos and since I've had my website about cake flour. You usually don't have it, and I require it for a lot of my recipes. So today, I'm gonna show you a quick hack that you can use if you don't have any cake flour around. Let's get to it. So, the two ingredients I mentioned, you need some all-purpose flour and you need some cornstarch. Here, I've got a cup of all-purpose flour, and if you need more, you can just scale up. And all you need is 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and we're just gonna mix those two together and then sift. Give this a nice sift. You're gonna sift this quite a few times because we wanna get this to be nice and light, like you would see a normal cake flour. All right, y'all, I have sifted this about 5 times, and now all you have to do is substitute this for any cake flour in all of your recipes. So most of my recipes call for about maybe 3 cups. Just make sure you measure out 3 cups of the flour along with the cornstarch, and then you can measure and go along for your recipe. This is the perfect amount for baking, and I hope you enjoyed this easy tip so y'all can get baking in the kitchen at home. If you loved this, make sure you like this recipe, and also make sure that you subscribe so you can keep getting all this wealth of information I'm giving y'all. I'm giving y'all pearls out there, okay? And make sure that you go to grandbabycakes.com to pull up the full recipe for this. See you next time.